Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. Today I'll be discussing my January 2024 Zazzle store sales report. For the month of January, I had 56 sales comparable to the 24 sales I had in December. That is a 133% increase. My store sales are as follows: Miss Rhoadie 36, Weddings by Rhoadie 1, Alma Africa 7, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Homeschool Me 9, Rhodie's Kitchen 1, Earrings by Rhoadie 0, and 0 referrals. My best-selling item was my I Am Delivering My Love to You Valentine's Day greeting card, and that's sold in my Miss Rhoadie store. Second place, Mom's Valentine's Day giraffes, and that's sold in my Alma Africa store. In third place, happy second birthday unicorn greeting card. And you can find that in my Homeschool Me store. Honorable mention, Peach Wreath Floral Wedding Invitation. Other items that I sold include a tote bag, file folders, a calling card, a shot glass, wrapping paper, t-shirts, a graduation card, stickers, leggings, buttons, a keychain, and a digital baby shower invitation. My customer demographics, 82% women, 9% men, and 9% unknown. My top states, Virginia, New York, and New Jersey. International sales came from Australia, the United Kingdom, Japan, and the Netherlands. I had no referrals. For my takeaways, I increased by 133% because one person bought 20 products, which was greeting cards. So that happens a lot. One person may buy in bulk. Thank you, and here's a list of my stores.